Exploring art techniques, the beauty of oxide washes. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of art vocabulary, specifically the term oxide wash. This phrase might paint a picture in your mind, but do you know what it really means in the art context? Let's unfold this colorful expression together. An oxide wash is an art technique. It involves applying a mixture of oxide, usually a metallic one, with water or another solvent over a surface. When fired in a kiln, the oxide reacts, revealing a range of hues and textures that add depth and character to ceramics or paintings. It's like a makeover for pottery, transforming plain surfaces into artworks with personality. Let's dissect the phrase, oxide wash. Oxide refers to a compound that contains at least one oxygen atom and another element, like iron or copper. These compounds can create different colors when mixed with solvents. Wash, in this context, means a thin, transparent layer of color applied to a surface. Put them together, and you have a method of painting that creates a translucent, tinted effect with oxides. Oxide washes are not just for show, they serve a purpose in art. Ceramists use them to highlight textures and give an aged, weathered look to their pieces. In paintings, an oxide wash can add a patina of antiquity or a subtle color shift that brings a new dimension to the work. And there you have it, a splash of knowledge about oxide washes. Whether you're an art lover or just curious about new terms, we hope this explanation adds a bit of color to your understanding of art techniques. Keep exploring, and see you in our next language adventure.